What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix video recording not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and find camera. Now click on camera. In camera, here you can force stop option. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. Firstly, force stop your camera and then the next step is clear your cache. Now click on storage usage and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and updates and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.